podcast. Today we'll talk about how can you change your name on your LinkedIn Learning app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on my Learning down here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do now, just click on your name here. So when you click here on your name, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, just go down. So you keep going down here. When here account settings show for you, then you click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here, just switching to open video. So then you click here on account preferences and come to this list. You click here on name and location and industry here. Then you come to first name and last name. Then here can you change it in this list. When you're down, you just click here on save. Then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.